says one this way.
No, this is ours here. I'm just checking what's around the corner.
Oh, okay.
So I reckon that, looking at that, that's probably parking over for two of us.
Yeah. See, you know, I don't think he's...
Have you got a look? Anything like that? Oh, that's mine under there. Oh, one thing, that's mine under there.
Well, how'd you get up?
Then you go, get out the car.
Well, but it's difficult really to, yeah, I suppose you could get a car in there, but it's difficult to gauge parking really. I mean, but you're going up these steps to number 1 to this retreat Rainforest Hotel. So we've got this balcony area that overlooks seating area there. Right, finally got in. As you walk in, oh, we've got 2 beds.
Yeah.
Why?
Because how they're done.
So you've got a single bed over there in the corner there. Seating area, sofa, that's quite a cute little area there. Have your seating area here, the lounge, and then a kitchen area of your microwave, fridge, and whatever they are down there. What are they down there? Cupboards and things like that, just like your little cupboards and stuff like that, storage things. Bin. Yeah. Any safe in this room? I can't see a safe in this room. What's in this wardrobe? Yes, you've got a safe down there, so you've got your safe, extra bedding. You've got wardrobe, gowns as well. What's in there? That must be a boiler. Oh, that was the electrics and everything in there. So you've got some gowns wrapped up there. Ironing board and all the bits hangers there. And then going into the bathroom. Oh, a wet shower. Oh, the lights just come on then. Your sink with your toiletry bits there. And that. And a great big walk-in shower. What have you got there, Darren?
We've got the ribs, the pork ribs, the chips and coleslaw.
I didn't know any of that. So the ribs,
The chips and the coleslaw.
ribs, chips and coleslaw, and I've got double lamb shank with garden peas and some on mash and a little bit of slaw, I think that is. So this is the starter Darren's got. It's crispy pork crackling with apple sauce.